Here we go.
Under the Mailbox Theater.
Hey! Hey! Down here! Yeah, come on, come on. There you go. Hi! Yeah, that's right. Under the Mailbox Theater. My name is John, and I'll be your host. This is our new show. It's called Under the Mailbox Theater. It's just pretty straightforward, a lot of sketch comedy. We're going to be bringing you some light entertainment, hopefully make you laugh, maybe make you cry. We'll just see what happens. Anyway, we're not here to cure cancer or anything, but, well, let's just go on to the first sketch. And hopefully it's going to be really, really funny. Sawdust.
Sawdust. I gotta take a leak.
What the hell was that? You're telling me that's our sketch? I hope they're not all gonna be...